Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. Y'all, today's video is all about the upcoming Sephora sale. And y'all, you know I got some recommendations. And y'all, I got 10 items that you must have that you'll be able to get 30% off. And I know you want to see that. So what do you need to do? Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs, have a seat at the Grown Women's Table, and let's get into this video. So we know, well, first of all, thumbs up the video. That's a way of saying hello to your girl. The sale starts November the 1st, and it goes to November the 11th. So if you're a Rouge, you can start shopping on the 1st. Now, if you're a VIP and Insider, you start shopping on the 5th. And the 30% off Sephora collection is from the 1st through the 11th. So you guys, I'm going to show you some things that I think will be really great holiday gifts. Because of course, you know, we all shop for ourselves. We love shopping for ourselves, but a lot of us love shopping for others just as much. So I was looking at things that I felt as though would be good gifts. So I'm going to move over so you can see wherever it's going to be at on the screen. And I'm going to tell you why I feel like these things are good. And then, y'all, I got my top 10 Sephora must-haves, and you know you're gonna be able to get them for 30% off, so keep watching for that as well. All right, y'all, so the first thing I want to talk about is lip set that is at Sephora. First of all, you get all these lip items as well as that cute little bag, and it is $54. And in that, there are 1, 2, 3 full-size items. You got a deluxe size item, and then the rest of those items are minis. Y'all, I think this is a great gift that you can give to a makeup lover. It's a great gift that you can give to someone who you know they lip game be on point. And it's also a great gift if you want to take it and break it up and give it to different people, because you got 2 lip liners in here. We got the Fenty lip gloss. You have Rare Beauty. What else is in here? I'm gonna tell you what's full size. So the full size item, a Sephora liner, then you get a Glossier lipstick, and then you get, what else? A Makeup by Mario lipstick that's full size, and we're getting that deluxe size in the NARS in the classic red. So I think this is a really, really good deal. All right, y'all, the next Sephora favorite that I think is a really good buy is the Perfume Samples. And then you also receive a voucher that you can go in and pick up a full-size perfume. And you guys, you have so many different scents in here. And I feel like if you're willing to buy someone in your life a nice perfume, but you just really do not know what they like, what they're, you know, some people like vanilla, some people like spicy, some people like gourmand, but you really want to know what it is that they like. This is a great opportunity to give this to them as a gift. They can pick one of the scents and then go back and get them a full size. So I did pick this up, put this on the list. It's $95, and majority of these scents that's on the list that you get cost more than $95. So I feel like you're getting the bag, the samples, and you're getting a full size for $95. That's a good deal. And now the next one, of course, we're not gonna forget the guys, that cologne one. Even though you're getting less samples, and there are some requirements as far as the sizes when you do go to purchase the one that you have. But that one is $95. And it's the same premise. You can give the gift to someone. They can figure out which one of these scents that they really love. And then in the future, you'll already kind of know what type of scents they like. And then they can go and pick up their full-size cologne. So both of those are really great gifts. And I'm going to say this. If you wanted to, buy it for yourself. But we talking about other people, but just in case you wanted to buy that perfume sampler for yourself and get the perfume, and you could take those little samples and put them in little cute bags as stocking stuffers, stocking stuffers, child. Or little gifts with a little card attached just to say I was thinking of you. That's something else you could do too. Now the next one, you guys, I always recommend this because I love Lage, and This is a great gift. It's $21, and all these prices that I'm giving you guys are before the sale. So it's $21. You get 5 minis. Now you could take those 5 and break them up and use them as stocking stuffers, or you can give it to one person as a really nice little gift. Because we all, especially in the wintertime, you know, your lips be crusty and dusty. So you want to make sure they're nice and hydrated and smooth. And I feel like this is a great gift to give someone. And it don't matter if it's a male or female. Everybody could use a little lip Laneige for your lips. That's all I'm saying. Okay, the next one, you guys, is the Sol de Janeiro mini travel set. You get how many? 4? 4 different scents for $34. You cannot beat that. And I feel like, again, all of these mini sets, you can either break them up and make multiple gifts, or you could give them to one person or 2 people, however you want to do it. But I think this is a really good gift for someone you know that travels a lot. Like if you know someone that's traveling a lot, or for your teenage daughter where she can put the scent in her bag, her purse, her gym, or someone that works out, they can put the scent in their gym bag. I think this is a really, really, really great gift. And everybody loves at least one of the Sol de Janeiro's scents, if not all. So that's a great gift. Now, y'all, this next one, when I saw this, I was like, absolutely. The Kayali Mini Vanilla Dual Set for $28. First of all, one costs $28. So you're getting 2. And it's the, let me tell you the scents. Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar, and the regular one, the cult favorite, the vanilla. If you know a vanilla lover, this is a great gift to give them. Like, and it's big enough for them to really get some use out of. And it's a gift that says, you know, girl, I know you. I know you like vanilla, so I gave you this. The little details when it comes to giving gifts, when you give someone something that you know they really are into, and for you to be able to say, I know you love vanilla, Merry Christmas. So yeah, I thought that was a good gift. And both of the scents smell amazing. All right, y'all, I was really looking for stuff for you guys too. So this is the Floral Street Mini Candle Set. You get 4 different scents, and they're originally $24. They are currently on sale for $16.80. And at the time of filming, it was available. I think this is a great gift to give to your candle lovers. People that love candles, and that way they can try out different scents. And again, like I said before, we could break these down and give them to multiple people. But if you know a candle lover, especially ones that love floral scents, this will be a really, really good gift to give. All right, y'all, the next one. I recommend this every year, and I pretty much get it myself every year. And it's the Sol de Janeiro. What's the actual name of it? The Sol de Janeiro Hydration Celebration Body Routine. Y'all, it's only $68. And you get the Bum Bum Cream, a full size, which is what, $45 by itself. You get the 3.3 ounce perfume mist. You get the body wash at 3 ounces. You get the body scrub at 2.5 ounces. And then, oh, you even get the oil at 0.4 ounces. And you know that oil is very, very expensive. And you guys know that is my go-to scent for vacation if you want that tropical vibe. And it just smells good and feels good on your body. And I like to buy it at this time of year because, like I said, the lotion by itself is $48, I think. Let me double check the price. Yes, $48. So, and to be able to get that and all the extra stuff too, that's a win. So I definitely recommend, if you know anyone that loves that scent, baby, they're going to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you again. Now, the next item I'm recommending is the Rare Beauty Comfort Lotion and Fragrance Set that is $30. If you've been following the channel, you know I picked it up. And I feel like, I'm going to tell you the notes of the perfume, but I feel like it is a safe scent to pretty much give to anyone. It smells so good. It's light and refreshing. And the lotion is good as well. And to get this little combo for $30 before the sale, I feel like it's going to be really good. I think $30 before the sale was a good price. All right, let me tell you guys the notes. So you got lemon zest, jasmine, and cashmere wood in this scent. And you guys, it smells so good. It's not offensive. So it, to me, is a safe blind buy type of fragrance. So I think it would be a great scent to be able to give to just about anyone. Now, the next thing we have on the list is the Dior Lip Cheek Glow Set for $80. First of all, it's super cute. This is for if you got the little bougie person in your life that likes, you know, the finer things in life. This would be a perfect gift for them because both items, because you're going to get the lip oil as well as the blush. And both of those cost $40 by themselves. And then you're getting that cute little Dior bag, which I think is just adorable. Now, the only thing is, I would say that the lip oil is safe. But when you come to the blush, you probably do want to make sure it would fit their skin tone. Because I wouldn't wear that blush on my skin tone, but someone lighter than me, it would look amazing on their skin tone. So do take that in consideration. But I think that's a really nice gift to give to someone that loves luxury as well as makeup. And it's a perfect little combination. So I definitely would recommend that. Okay, y'all, the next item is the Fenty Beauty It's Riri 3-piece lip set. Y'all, this is right here a no-brainer. $50. You get all 3 pieces. And who don't love Rihanna? Who don't love Fenty Beauty lip products? That's a perfect, especially for the younger generation. They would really, really like that. And you get it in a very beautiful color as well. So I definitely recommend that. And for the price, like I said, it is $50. But that's before the sale. Now, the last thing I want to recommend before I go into the Sephora stuff, which kind of leads me into the Sephora stuff, is, and I saw this and I was like, ooh, this is the face and brush set from Sephora. It's $39. It's going to be 30% off. But you guys, I think this is a great gift for a beginner in makeup. I really think someone that's new in makeup, this would be a perfect little face set for them. Someone that just likes makeup and wants to try some new brushes, I think that'll be a good gift for them as well. Although I do prefer, me personally, I do prefer the pro version of the Sephora brushes. But I have had some brushes that are not pro and they were nice. So if you're looking to give a makeup lover some brushes and you don't want to break the bank, you can't beat that price plus 30% off. Now, let's talk about the top 10 things that you're going to be able to get for 30% off. And these are things that I feel like are must-haves from Sephora. The first thing is the Best Skin Ever Multi-Use Hydrating Glow Concealer. Y'all, this is not the first time you heard me talk about this concealer. You know how much I love this concealer. If you have dry under eyes, baby, there's your cure. When I tell you, you get the coverage and the hydration all at once, babe, y'all, this is one of my top 3 concealers, period. So definitely check this concealer out. And how much does it cost? $16 plus 30% off. So the prices that I tell you are the current prices, and just take 30% off of whatever I say, okay? The next item is the Velour Makeup Powder Puff. It's $8. You guys know, I don't have to say, here's one right here. Here's another one right here. I got some in my drawer. Like, you guys, I will be buying. As a matter of fact, hold on. I got one right here that I haven't even opened yet. When I tell you guys that these are items that I love, and just so you can know, here's my concealer right here. Those puffs, like, baby, game changer. I love them. And to be able to get them for 30% off, you gotta have it. The next item is the Sephora Cream Contour Stick. Y'all, when I tell you, I have really started liking it. I have it on today. You see the chisel? Y'all, if you have not tried these contour sticks, definitely give them a try. You can lay them down and then you can go on top of them with your bronzer. Or the next item I'm going to put on the list, you can top it with, let me just go on and tell y'all. Let me find out the price of it before. This is called the Contour Matte Powder, $14. Now, I will say, I feel like it is small. But this is this duo right here. Both of those items together, so cute, so cute. When you want to chisel, when you want to have that, you know, chisel fate look, both of these. And of course, 30% off. The next item is the Nourishing Lip Sleeping Mask. They're only $7. I use them at night. I use them just in my purse. I feel like if you want to just have a lip balm, something in your, in your bag, and it's not really expensive, but it hydrates the lips, you can't beat the price. $7, you can't beat the price. And mine is in coconut. And so they do come in different scents. All right, y'all, the next item is a glass nail file. They're normally $10. Right now they're on sale for $5. So you're going to get 30% off the 5. You guys already know I have them all. There's one somewhere in this room. I recommend if you're going to file your nails, use a glass nail file. And to get one at $10 is a good deal. Well, really at $5 at 30% off. All right, y'all, the next thing is the Boosted Eye Mask. And it's for brightening and it has vitamin C in it. And it's what, $4, you guys. I really enjoyed them. Like, to put them under my eye before I put my makeup on, I do feel like it gives it a brightening effect up under my eye, and it definitely hydrates up under the eye. And for $4, you can't beat that price, plus 30% off. I keep saying 30% off because I want y'all to know we're getting 30% off of stuff that's cheap already. The next item, this is fairly new to me. I actually have it on my lips right now. It's called About the Shine Lacquer Shine Lipstick. I have on shade 10. They are $16, but y'all, when I say, look at that. It shines and pigmented for $16. And it's got a pretty little case. So I'm definitely adding that on my must-have list. All right, the next thing is the Retractable Rouge Gel Lip Liner. They're $13, y'all. They come in so many different colors. And I feel like you really need to have one. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get me one because I want to say Amber has been raving about these lip liners. So I'm definitely adding them to the list. The number 10 thing is the 8-piece Pro Brush Face and Eye Set, you guys. This is a great value. It's limited edition, online only. It costs $95. And you know I love the Pro series, so I think this is a must-have. So don't forget to pick it up. All right, y'all, those are my top 10 items from Sephora, the must-have. And remember, you're going to get 30% off of everything I recommended. Plus, y'all, guess what? Since we're here and y'all made it this far, did you think I was going to have a Sephora recommendation and not recommend the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Filter Setting Spray? Honey, the little duos that you get for $32. Everybody needs that, period. And I know, as you've been watching these recommendation videos, I am not the only one to say you need to have it. But y'all, don't forget, in the comment section, there will be a link in the description box. And it is an affiliate link, and I'm asking you and thanking you in advance for using it because it does help keep this channel afloat for me to continue to bring you content. Because, girl, makeup costs money. And I appreciate what you're doing to help the channel. And don't forget to thumbs up the video. And that is it, you guys. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.